A calm sea, a beautiful sunrise, an oceanfront house that affords privacy and an unbelievable lifestyle. All of this is what living in Ponte Vedra Beach offers. It is positively beachy. The large combination living and kitchen have tongue-and-groove cathedral ceilings, custom built-ins, and a floor plan that opens to an updated kitchen with granite countertops, stainless appliances, and a breakfast bar. Just outside, a wraparound balcony with 270-degree views runs the width of the entire home. A lot of room for gathering and guests, 2 master suites, altogether 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and about 3,100 square feet. Concrete construction, this home has everything, including a new concrete bulkhead bordering 75 feet of oceanfront. This is luxury. This is private. This could be your new home in the sunshine. Capture the lifestyle at 2903 South Ponte Vedra Boulevard. Call Martin Fisher or Jennifer Martin Faulkner for more information.